history, open to page number 1. Books 1 and 2, that all things that we see around us have names. The words that we use as names or naming words are called nouns. Before doing a book work, we will do an activity like students, you can see this picture. What can you see in this picture? Look at this picture. Write names. What can you see in this picture? A girl, boy, flower, sandpit, pot, bird, cat, camera, now what is this? Girl, boy. Girl and boy is the name of persons. Girl and boy is the name of person. All things that we see around, all these things which we see around have names. All these things have names. The words that we use as name or naming word are called nouns. Girl, boy, sandpit, pot, flower, camera, cat, bird are the nouns, are the naming words, they are the nouns. A name which we give in general to all person, place is a garden. What is this? It is a garden. Where are they? In the garden. To all person, places or things of the same kind is a common noun. Girl, garden, bird, sandpit, pot, flower, camera, cat, boy are the common nouns. They are the common nouns. Girl can be so many girls there. Your sister is also a girl. Your boy, your brother is a boy. Boy, so many boys are there, so they are common noun. Flower, right? You can see different types of flowers. Many animals. Which animals you can see in this picture? There is a bird and cat. Bird and cat. The name which we give to a particular person, place or thing is a proper noun. Now we will going to give particular names to the person first. To the person. Like Sarah, girl. Ali, boy. Is the name of person. Sarah, girl and Ali are the proper nouns. Sarah and Ali are the proper noun. The name which we gave to a particular place, garden. There are so many gardens. We have, this is the garden of sunflowers or sunflower garden or Ali's garden. Where are the children? They are in the garden. The name which we give to a particular person, place. Now things. What things you can see in this picture? Sandpaper, pot. Sandpaper is to pick the sand and put in a pot, or from the pot we put in the plants is the sandpaper pot. And there is one more thing. What is it? Camera. What is it? Camera. These are the proper nouns. Last, animals. Cat. Tom. Tom is the particular name for cat. Bird. So many birds are there. Sparrow. Sparrow. Which bird is it? Sparrow. So students, a proper noun always begin with a capital letter followed by small letters. Rida, Kamran, John, Talal, Salim, etc. These are the capital letters. See, capital A for Ali is a proper noun. Capital S for Sparrow is a capital noun. Capital T for Tom, camera, Sarah, sand, are all the names with the capital letters. Let's see the exercise. Pick out exercise A. Page number 1. Exercise A. Pick out the nouns from the following sentences and point out whether they are proper or common. One has been done for you. The name of my brother is Faraz. What is the name of your brother? Oh, okay. Name, common, noun, brother. Common noun, brother. Faraz, proper noun. Brother, common noun. Faraz, proper noun. What is the name of the brother? Faraz. Is the capital letter? Yes. F is in capital letter. Proper noun. Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal for his wife Mumtaz Mahal. Shah Jahan, capital letters, is the proper noun. Taj Mahal, capital letter beginning with capital letter, is also the proper noun. Mumtaz Mahal beginning with capital letter. So this is also a proper noun. Wife. Wife is common noun. Wife, common noun. It's for the person. Ali Baba, capital letter for proper person. Cave, treasure, name of place or treasure thing is the small letter. Common noun. City. City is the common noun. You have so many cities like Karachi, Lahore. So Karachi, Lahore, Faisalabad we write with capital letter. This is city. City is a noun, name of a place, and it is in the common noun, small letter. Afridi, capital letter A, is the great cricketer. Cricketer. Afridi, proper noun. Cricketer, common noun, because we have many cricketers. The match will be held on Monday. Monday, proper noun. Our school is now closed for Eid. School. So many schools are there. What is your school name? Do you write in capital letters or small letter? New Pulse Grammar School. Our school is now closed for Eid. School, common noun. Eid is a particular festival, capital E, proper noun. Have you borrowed any book from the library? Book can be of many kinds. So, common noun. Library also is a common of many kinds. So, library is also common noun. The birds that build their nest in the tree. Birds, nest, tree are all common nouns. Mount Everest, MT stands for Mount. Mountain ya Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Everest is the name of the mountain, particular mountain. Mount Everest is proper noun with capital letter. Highest mountain. Mountain is name of thing in the world is mountain in the world is common noun. So students, you have understood the how to classify common noun and proper noun. Next is collective nouns. O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 bees. What are these? Bees. What is this? Bunch of grapes. And this group of fish. What is the group of fish called? What is the group of fish called? Group of fish is called a school of fish. A school. Bees.